curves with corner points here. So I'm back in Illustrator. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the, curves and lines together. So this layer right here, expand it, and oops, wait, nope, I'm sorry, I'm still on curves with corner points. Curves and lines. Okay, there we are. I keep clicking the wrong thing. Layer 21 on curves and lines together. Okay, so let me move this over to the side. And again, grab the pencil, make sure my stroke is set to 3. I've got no fill, got a stroke of black. Okay, here we go. So you know this part, mouse up, mouse down. Now I've got this, right? So how do I create a straight line? Well, easy. So remember how I get that little anchor point right there, that convert anchor point? So I hold down the Option key. Instead of dragging, I click. And notice how I have a handle up here, but I'm handle free down here. So I come over here, ta-da, and I get this again. Oh, there it is. Option, drag down. Look at that. So it's the Option key that you need to press. So I drag up, hover over, grab, get that again. Option click, and then come on over. See, so it's just finding that caret. Option, drag up. Option, drag down. Yay. Now, I should have mentioned this before. I'm going to mention it now. Every once in a while, if you're working with something, let's say I make a line here, right? And then for some reason, I click away, and I want to come back and continue with that line. Let me show you a trick. If you hover over, you see how you get a slash? If you just click on the slash on the anchor point, hello, Belle. Now, I'm continuing with my line. Otherwise, I'll show you what happens. I'll make a line here, right? And then I click away, and I try to come back, and I don't get the slash, and I just kind of just pretend that it's there, and I just click away, and oh, look, it's not there. So I'll just go ahead and bring this over, and it looks like it's connected, right? It looks good, but if I click, see, I don't actually have this anchor point, or this path and this path are two different paths. And if I zoom in a lot, you can actually start to see the problem with that. So I'm going to show you how to address that later, but please be aware that if you do click away, all you got to do is just come over, hover over, get the slash, and now, again, see the difference? Okay, so important. All right, so moving right along. At this point, I think you might be able to figure out how to make these on your own, but just very quickly. So click, click, click. All right, so you know the drill. And hello, Belle. I'm going to drag up because, of course, this is going up. Come on over here, and there we go. And then drag in because this curve is going in. Click down here. Great. Option, drag. See how quickly and easily, once you understand how to do this, and I have to be honest, it took me a while to master this, but now that I know, I can draw pretty much any shape I want pretty quickly. Okay, so that's the chuck, and I'm just going to quickly do the G, but if you feel like you know how to do it, get started. So I'm just going to start here. So click, click, click. Super easy so far, right? Okay, so I get over here, and again, drag because it's going down. I get kind of like a half circle there. That looks pretty good. And then from there, there we go. And then again, just click, get rid of that. Option, drag up. Option, drag down. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And then again, click and close it up. Ta-da!